Hi, my name is Ayush Keshan. I am the president of Applications Business Unit and Sales for Cloud Kinetics. We are a company working with almost 300 customers across the region. We work with hyperscalers such as AWS very closely, and we help customers modernize their IT systems, including their data strategy. We work with the likes of Daimler, Singapore Airlines, OCBC, to name a few. We are present in 8 countries today and growing as we speak. 3 main points that the customers have highlighted, which they are focused on, which is customer experience, using AI, and modernizing their critical applications. When we work with our customers, we see that they have also raised similar points to us, which is, my website is pretty old. How do I make it more engaging with customers? My cost is very high. How do I improve that? How do I improve my reach to customers? How do I increase my revenues? So these are some of the business problems that we get to hear of day in, day out, and these are some of the problems that we solve for customers. And we have a framework for it. The framework is, we do an assessment and a discovery of your ecosystem. We plan and design the next steps for you. We design the to-be architecture that will help support the business needs that you have. We run a pilot for you where we show that whatever we've spoken about, how does it benefit you? And once the pilot is successful, we get into a full-fledged deployment. Now again, you need to think of 6 areas from our end. One is the modernization strategy. We look at the full stack development and end-to-end strategy. We see how we can help you bring in microservices into your architecture. We look at the containerization aspect. How do we make it serverless for you? And lastly, how do we bring in a DevOps framework into your IT landscape? We work with various partners in these initiatives. Let me pick up 4 cases that I really love and I'm very proud of. One is microservices, where we worked with a Malaysian client recently, and they had a legacy infrastructure. They had legacy apps running. That's how they were connecting with their customers. We came in, we did an assessment of their landscape and realized that microservices could actually bring in the efficiency that they want to bring in their customer experience journey. And that's how we've been able to implement 2x improvement into their customer experience. Containerization, we worked with an Indonesian bank recently where we've helped them reduce 30% of their costs by bringing in a full journey of containerization. All their applications are now containerized and running on cloud. Serverless, we work with a telecom services provider, and they had a challenge that most of their infrastructure as well as the applications that they were running were all legacy. They wanted to move to the cloud. And that's where we came in. We brought in an AWS Lambda architecture into the solution. And with that, they've been able to run 5 times scalable application. And lastly, let me talk about DevOps, where we work with an OTT platform and we've created a complete CI/CD journey for them. And with that, we've seen that they've been able to reduce the deployment time of applications, which means a faster time to market, by almost 75%. We look forward to having more conversations with you and talking more of these case studies with you. We love to have a chat. Thank you so much.